Welcome to the Guitar Tech's Bench. We're going to do a different type of video today. I went to the Martin factory tour in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and I kind of want to share that with you. I want you to see what I saw. They allowed us to take images, pictures, but they did not allow us to take video. So I couldn't video it and bring it back, but I could make some pictures and bring those back. So I'm going to share those images with you today. Just a minute. That's better. Okay, this is the picture of the factory entrance. This is where when you're going on the tour, you go in through here. You can go to the museum also through the front door. The museum is that long part that says C.F. Martin and Company, Inc. That's the museum. And then the guitar factory goes back and it's deep. It's really, really fascinating. I had a great time going there. So let's take a look now inside. The first thing you see when you go into the factory is this big long guitar that's built along a hallway wall. And it's the full hallway. It's huge. The factory workers built this themselves. And it's fascinating, but it makes a great photo backdrop for when you want to take a picture of family, friends, when you're there visiting. It's kind of neat. So that was a good picture for you to see. Now, throughout the halls, through the hallways and on the walls, they have these diagrams. Each one of them different. This one shows the face of the guitar, the bracing used, how the bracing is, and the sides, and the saddle, and the bridge. And then it describes what each part is, and you can see how it's laid out and put together. You'll see, there's another one that I remember, guitar necks, and it had a big block, and it had like three necks this way and one neck this way, and all of them cut out of that, and then each of them took it through the stages of them being shaped and made into guitar necks. It's really kind of interesting. What we have here is 3 images. These 3 images are a picture that they had displayed with the top and the back with the bracings on it. And then the middle picture is the backs. And that's the herringbone back. The herringbone inlay is there. The way they do those backs is they take a piece of wood and they slice the wood right down the middle. Then they open it up like a book and they glue the pieces together. That way, the wood grain on both sides matches perfectly. Now, an interesting thing is this third photograph over here, where you see that red piece of, that machine with the red piece of plastic on it. What that is a vacuum frame. You put the guitar back or front in there with the braces, all in position and glued. Then this thing that sucks the air out, pulls that plastic down on top, and holds everything in place until the glue cures. It's fascinating. You don't have to clamp each individual brace in the back and then wait until it dries and clamp another one, or get a bunch of clamps all over them. It's just one plastic piece laid over top, the air sucked out, and it holds everything down to be glued. And it works very well. This is a picture of a 1935 Martin. It's a triple aught. It's a parlor-sized guitar. At this stage, it is completely sanded, ready to be finished, and the inlay is being done. The man holding it, you can't see his face because I cut it out. But what it is he is the worker that is refurbishing this guitar from scratch. He has taken and he stripped it. He did all the inlays. There's a pick guard down at the bottom, and he inlaid mother of pearl in it. Mother of pearl all the way up the neck, and then on the headstock. This is a gorgeous 1935 Martin guitar. This guitar, this is the last photo. As I was leaving the factory, I saw this lonely looking Martin D35 laying in the corner. No other guitars near him. He seems like he's kind of sad and lonely. But you know, I have a Martin D35. I'd like to take him home and they could be friends. But that's not going to work. But what you can do is if you want to go to Martin, you can go into their lobby and you can pull a Martin off the wall. You can play it. You can say, I like this one, and then buy it right there. It's fascinating. Now, if you order a custom order guitar, you're talking money there. Custom ordered Martins run between $80,000 and $90,000 is what they told us on this tour. But it's still fascinating. You can get what you want that way. Me, I kind of like my Martin D35. I don't need to custom order one. But if you get a chance to go to Martin, you go to the factory, this is a wonderful thing to see. I teamed up with another YouTube channel to go to Martin and get these photos for you. And they do driving videos. It's called Somewhere in America Happy Driving Videos. And they do a coloring book of every drive they do. When they do a drive, they do a coloring book of it, of the different locations. And there'll be one which will include some of the photos that I took of Martin in their coloring book. So if you want to, go to Somewhere in America, Happy Driving Videos, and check it out. Thank you for watching.